Nice land spout. Very nice. Tornado very close to the town of Attica. I'm hoping it passes just to the east of Attica. It is crossing Highway 160 right now, hopefully east of Attica. Very large tornado, quarter-mile wide, rapid rotation. In the bay, look. Crossing the highway. Okay, new form of tornado is developed about a half mile to our south of the Highway 160 here. Okay, new large tornado on the ground, passing about a half mile to a mile to our southeast. Hail is coming down, some to the size of hen eggs, as this tornado passes right in front of us. Ouch. Starting to become rain wrap now, losing visibility. Very rain wrapped now, and definitely something we don't want to drive toward. This one too is going to cross Highway 160. As far as I know, this is the second tornado out of this family that will cross directly across Highway 160. This to the west of Harper, Kansas. Rain curtains wrapping rapidly around this monstrous tornado. It's a very large tornado in there, now almost stationary.